The raindrops keep on falling. Raindrops keep falling on my head. And just like a guy who feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. On the job, those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. But there's one thing I know. But that doesn't mean my eyes soon may turn in red. Oh, some pray, nothing worrying me. Those raindrops keep falling on my head. But that doesn't mean my eyes soon be turning red. Cry it down for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free.